Hi, today I am going to explain the best method how to draw chain of lines and multiple lines. This is called chain of lines and these are multiple lines. So let's start. So now I am in the sketcher mode. Just general practice is usually click the lines. This is general method and other is simply we need to left click and hold it and draw the line. Just click and hold the left mouse button and place it somewhere, and once again click and hold and place it somewhere. Click, hold and place it somewhere. So this is how we can draw multiple lines, and these are discontinuous and these are continuous lines. Thank you.